Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and so let's begin. So before I take the derivative, I'm going to first rearrange what we have. So we have 1 divided by. Now, secant x is 1 divided by cosine x, and tan x is, we got minus because this is a minus. We have sine parentheses x divided by cosine parentheses x. And we're going to need to clean this up. So instead of saying I have 1, I'm going to say I have 1 divided by 1. And in this piece, the denominator, they're both cosine x. So we have a common denominator. So we can say we have 1 minus sine parentheses x, close it, divided by cosine x. And so right now we have a fraction divided by a fraction. And we can actually figure this out. We'll get 1 divided by 1. We can change this to multiplication if we flip it. So this would be cosine parentheses x divided by 1 minus sine parentheses x, close it. And obviously 1 divided by 1, it cancels out, we get 1. And so right now what I'm going to actually do is calculate the derivative of cosine x divided by 1 minus sine x. And so this is what we have. So now we can go ahead and use the quotient rule. So low d high minus high d low divided by the square root of what's below. So denominator, we're going to square this piece. So again, our low is our denominator, d high, so derivative of our numerator, minus high, so the numerator, d low, so derivative of our denominator, and then square root of what's below. So we're going to take this piece and we're going to square it. So let's clean this up. So we get 1 minus sine parentheses x. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x minus cosine x. And the derivative of 1 is 0. And the derivative of negative sine x is going to be negative cosine x. And then we're going to divide by our denominator, which is just this piece. Next, we can expand. So 1 times negative sine x is just negative sine x. And negative sine x times negative sine x will get a positive. Negative times negative is a positive. And we're going to get sine squared parentheses x. And negative cosine x times negative cosine x, we're going to get positive cosine squared x. Close it. Divided by our denominator. Next, we can remember some trig identities. We know sine squared x plus cosine squared x. This piece right here is equal to 1. So what we have now is, so we have 1 minus sine parentheses x divided by this piece, 1 minus sine parentheses x, close it, squared. So the top and bottom, they're the same, except this piece is squared. So one of them can cancel out. And so we're going to get 1, because this piece right here is getting canceled out. This 2 is going to get canceled, and it'll just become a 1, divided by 1 minus sine parentheses x. This right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.